ngakuyi. Otherwise so iwinile nasala.
Only 27 years old. That is Manqoba Hlabatsi, and he's on the verge of winning for the second time, in a row the Imbobe Marathon. Patrick Msibi, this is getting quite interesting. Any update? What are you reading from this young man? He is about to win it again.
Fabrice, this man is a phenomenon. He's brilliant, Fabrice. I don't know ukuthi ungamchaza umthini Manqoba ngendlela la strategize ngayo, ngendlela la plana ngayo for i-race yakhe. Hayi uyamangalisa Fabrice. Mawumbuka uya accelerate instead of ukuthi mhlawumbe ungagaza ukuthi this time utaslim. Ungagaza ukuthi utawehlisa kancane, but mawumbuka lelitubane uyalingeta every now and again. Uyalingeta uyakhomba ukuthi uyayahle mfula indako kepha ngabuka le muva le seyivulile le distance between yena over 100 meters lesekamvulile between yena nalabamlandzelako uyakhomba ukuthi hayi akafuni ukuthi bamkhanze wayewina again in the same fashion even ku the last edition Fabrice ngendlela lebekazivula ngayo lesikhala ati ukuthi wendani ahlagijima ahlababuka ukuthi sebakuphi nalamuhla sibona the same traits but ke sekuyehlela namuhla mawubuka le muva nje kona basemva kakhulu kepha ke uyayibona ipace yale basemuva ukuthi nayo icala kunyuka nawo lokunye lekungathi ke Fabrice ngiyakubona ngaye Manqoba lokhu ehla benga expect ukuthi mhlambe utawunciphisa kancane ngoma kuyehlela labanye batshela ukuthi abakhoni ukugijima the same way masebehla but yena ubukeka ngazuthi he's very light on his feet ngendlela la gijima ngayo akasimi esuwonke lokwenta ukuthi kube lula for yena even ehla ukuthi akhone kwehla ngepace without kuzama kusima kakhulu kubalansa kakhulu uyehla nje eningihlekisa ke Fabrice lana ukuthi labandlula laceni kwakhe Manqoba bonke baveta ema emotions okumangala mase bandlula thini baveta ema emotions okumangala ukuthi hey lo mflona usendana umflona hey lo mflona wendani ngendlela la gijima ngayo inhle kakhulu Fabrice siyehla kenya lo malagwana sicetha kushayo nisekhle yakubohla kwendlula yonisekhle yakhona emangwaneni sesiqala sehlela ke ngakhona eBahai kulapho sehla khona ke kunginyalo silapho nje Fabrice ukuthi Manqoba uhamba embili ani mawubuka if le pace lena sitawucetha malagwane solo ahamba ngayo angiboni bakhona kumkhanza angiboni